Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this 2D Perler Bead Spongebob Popsicle, and we're starting right now. Now before we get into the video, I just wanted to say that hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Here are all the Perler Bead colors you will need for this project. Now we're going to start building. You can pause the video anytime just to keep up with me through the build and just understand how to do it correctly. I would recommend using tweezers for this because it's so easy just to pick up perler beads and put it back down. You can pick them up one at a time really fast, or sometimes even two at a time. I get two at a time because I'm really skilled at it, but it all depends on personal preference. So if you have any, I would definitely recommend using them. Also, please comment down below what ideas I should make for future videos. And if you want another video like this one, please consider subscribing. It really helps me out, and you can always change your mind at any time. Once you finish building, it's time to iron. I use parchment paper and the iron is on the cotton setting. You will know when you're done when you see the colors start popping up onto the parchment paper. Once you're done, peel off the paper, flip it over, and then iron the other side. While the paper cools down, place a book on top so the pieces can stay flat. If you find any pieces while ironing that are being loose and falling out of the paper when you open it, it may be because you haven't ironed it long enough and it needs to stay still. And if they are ironed really hard to the ground and they look all mushy, that's because you've ironed them way too hard and you need to restart. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing. It really helps me out. And goodbye everyone. I'll see you in the next video.